Lumens, your success, our focus.
This is a quick overview showing you how to install your MS-10 4K video soundbar. The video is divided into 4 parts. The MS-10 is supplied with accessories to mount your 4K video soundbar above or below your monitor. The included mounting kit is designed to be attached to your monitor in just a few minutes. Step 2. Before you begin, it's important to work out the ideal placement for your MS-10. When mounting below the monitor, please position the MS-10 at the eye level of your typical meeting attendee. MS-10 can be mounted above or below your monitor. First, let's see how to mount the video soundbar above the screen. Use the monitor mount clips to attach the monitor brackets to your monitor. Ensure that the top of the monitor brackets sit above the screen. Screw the support brackets to your MS-10. And attach them with supplied screws to the monitor brackets. You're done. Step 4. Mounting under the monitor. Use the monitor mount clips to attach the monitor brackets to your monitor stand. Ensure that the end of the monitor brackets protrudes below the screen. Attach the support brackets to the monitor brackets. Screw the MS-10 onto the support brackets, using them as a platform. And that's it. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.